I'm Sandra, I'm from ipXchange.
Hi, Sandra. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, so tell me who you are, tell me a bit about yourself and what you're doing here at BIWIN.
Sure. I'm Bob Snyder. I'm the North American and European Marketing Director for BIWIN Storage Technologies. We're a major manufacturer of flash storage, and we're here to show off some of our manufacturing capabilities.
Okay, so take me on a little tour, show me what you do here.
Thank you. Let me call Will over for a sec. Will, where? There you are, Will. Will, maybe you can show him what you've got here. Will?
Yeah. All right. Here's a Wafer. This is where all our products started from, both for NAND flash and also for DRAM products. Low DRAM dividing low power DDR and big DRAM for PCs, and all of them share the common component, which this derives from the wafer. So this is the technology in which everything starts. BIWIN has an integrated IC packaging plant, and we be able to all our design and engineering of any chips for storage and memory. Towards here, we can see the process of IC packaging in the next step, where we stack the different dies, and in this way to be converted to the chips as we see it, okay, as we see in our electronic devices.
So this is the start and the building block, the foundation of what you do at BIWIN.
Correct.
This here is the Lego. So this is the plastic, this is the Lego. So
Exactly, and this is the final product in which most of the customers or most of the electronic industry sees, where we started vertically from the start, all the steps in the middle, all the way to the end product. Okay, so this is an example of our embedded lineup.
So what we're trying to show here is the process of how that manufacturing takes place. Those wafers are bought from very large foundries. From the wafer, there's not a lot of companies that do their advanced packaging, and we do the packaging by ourselves. So oftentimes we're able to get products quicker to market. Come, let me show you some other products.
My favorite is the ePop 5. It's the winner of the Best in Show Award this year, and this product is empowering the wearable and mobile applications.
As you see, we manufacture a lot of different products. John, what's your favorite product here? I'm going to pass you the microphone.
Yeah, here I want to say the TAE series. This is our automotive EMC, and the operating temperature can up to the 105 Celsius degree. It is very good and reliable.
So as you can see, we manufacture an awful lot of different products. I just wanted to point out the signage, if I could, because here you see it divided into three clear categories. The first one is industrial applications, where our products are embedded in other people's products so they have memory and storage. The second is the automotive storage. Today, the car has a lot of computer technology, but it needs to hold data, retain data, and that's us. And then also, we're the leading company for providing the memory chips for wearables like smart glasses. So we provide chips for the cutting edge devices across the world.
all starting from those wafers that we saw.
All from the wafers through the custom packaging that we do. You see a huge number of products that we bring to market for all sorts of industries. But I have one more surprise for you.
All right, let's see it.
We actually introduced this product with ipXchange last year. But the good news is that last year, it won the TIME magazine, the Best Inventions of 2025 award. It was the only storage product in the list of innovations across TIME magazine. And then last week at Mobile World Congress, it won the Tech Radar magazine award for the Best in Show product, a mobile product accessory. So the product is a mini SSD from BIWIN. We took the full functionality of a full SSD and squeezed it down to the size of a small coin.
Wow.
Now,
It's just the smallest 1 terabyte storage in the.
In flash storage, it's the smallest and it's the only one of its kind in the world. So what happens is that it's a full PCIe NVMe SSD, which means it's 4 times powerful than other storage formats that try to compete with this.
Wow.
So it's designed for companies who are making cutting edge devices that can't find the storage that's fast enough or has the capacity for their new devices with AI and 6G, let alone 5G. So this fills a gap. You'll find it now in a lot of handheld gaming consoles, you know, where they have it embedded. And if you don't have it embedded, there's an option for consumers where they can have an external card reader for it. So it goes up to 2 TB and it can plug in with USB-C. So it makes it just, you know, a very excellent type of external storage if you want a small form factor.
So just a quick question.
Sure.
So does that then maintain the, like you said, the efficiency of the smaller form factor using this device then?
Yes. Yes, that device is only for reading it. This technically is just media. So it's the storage, but in order to play it or to transfer it, you put it in the reader and do it that way. But if we're here at Embedded World, the manufacturers here build it into their products, and it has a small plug and play that's embedded with it. So you just insert the media and that handles everything the card reader does.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah. And it all started with ipXchange.
Amazing. That's a really, really cool journey around your booth, and all the way from wafers to a miniature 1 terabyte storage unit.
Yeah, and I think that's really what we just wanted to get across here at Embedded World, is we're a full range supplier of flash storage technology for lots of different industries and lots of different occasions. So thank you for visiting us.